Yeah, and we've been talking about the name Brian Laundrie ever since Gabby had been reported missing. And so obviously they had to continue to say the words person of interest. He is now a fugitive, but not for this case. When do you think that would be changing here as we're continuing to learn more about her death?
So now that we have a coroner's report, this will go before, probably, since if it goes to become a federal case, it will go before a grand jury. And when they get that indictment, then we will see him become charged with that as a homicide for murder. And so until that occurs, until there's an indictment on him for this case, you'll still hear him being referred to as a person of interest, but he is already the subject of an arrest warrant for the use of Gabby's credit card, the unlawful use of an access device. So he's already the subject of one federal charge. But person of interest has it's a term of art that came about after Richard Jewell and the Centennial Park bombing. I believe that was the case where they started using that term, but it has no legal meaning. Being a person of interest is not something that carries any type of legal situation that is attached to it. It's used when you can't say that they are the subject of the investigation or that they are that there's an arrest warrant for them. Now that there is an arrest warrant for him, he can be referred to as a fugitive for that charge, the federal charge being the access device, unlawful use of the access device. But if he is indicted for this murder case, then he would have that superseding it.
And I do want to just pop up something we just got in here to our LiveNOW from Fox desk. So this is a official statement from the Brian Laundrie family attorney. He did go on to say, this is Stephen Bordolino saying, Gabby Petito's death at such a young age is a tragedy. While Brian Laundrie is currently charged with the unauthorized use of a debit card belonging to Gabby, Brian is only considered a person of interest in relation to Gabby Petito's demise. At this time, Brian is still missing, and when he is located, we will address the pending fraud charge against him. So really laying down once again that word that we've been talking about with you, Kenneth, the person of interest here. And so when could we now expect when he is taken into custody, when could that happen where they are saying, yes, he is the one who we believe, possibly the hands matched the prints on her neck when they did the autopsy. Walk us through some of that process as well.
So the first thing they're going to have to do is find Brian Laundrie, and that efforts to date have not found any signs of where he went to. So he disappeared supposedly into the Carlton Reserve there next to Sarasota in Florida. However, since there has been no sightings of him in there, and there's been a lot of manpower that has been used trying to locate him, they're going to have to continue on trying to even find Brian Laundrie before they can do the next step with this. But the change in status, the lawyer is stressing the person of interest aspect, but that will change once he is indicted. As soon as that happens, they'll no longer be able to hide behind this comment of being a person of interest in this case. If he is indicted, and I say that if he is indicted in this case, then he will be a fugitive on that charge.
Right. And, we've been questioning a lot, too, the involvement his parents have had, knowing that Brian and Gabby have lived with his parents ahead of this big trip that they took across the country. And now were the ones who had reported him missing, got that timeline wrong. So how important is it that his parents are cooperating with these officials as they're still trying to do a massive manhunt for their son?
So there is a possibility that he is that the family is cooperating because they're trying to avoid charges against them, either in aiding and abetting or obstruction of justice. There are potential charges that could be brought against them. The fact that they were unaware that he was responsible for the murder of Gabby may be potentially helpful to them to avoid those types of charges, but cooperating with the police really will go a long ways to avoid that type of charge also. So I think there is that aspect that Chris Laundrie finally went out with the Northport, Florida police to show them areas that Brian had camped in before, quite some distance away from where the vehicle was supposedly located. And so, they may be playing some legal games here at this point to try to avoid potential charges against them.